What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good? What's good? Another Saturday, you're rolling with Jay. Turn this air down a little bit so you guys can hear me. It's another beautiful day. Shout out to everyone that got paid yesterday, man. Also, in the Conversion Pros. For you guys who don't know, a lot of people hit me up and they ask me, Jay, what is TCP? What is the Conversion Pros? Conversion Pros is a marketing platform, pretty much a tool suite, also a lead source in the back office. Everything that you need to be an online marketer, pretty much just you want to check that out. So if you're interested in actually getting paid with that company as well, it'll allow you to check the system out for 14 days for free, no credit card required. Can't turn down free, and especially something that's going to help push your business to the next level, something that's going to help brand you, and it's also going to help you be able to allow duplication with your team as well. So shout out to everybody that definitely got paid. Shout out to anybody that's hit that subscribe button, that like button. I really appreciate it, man. More than anything, man. From the bottom of my heart, I truly do. You know, you can be doing something totally different, but you're choosing to stop by to dedicate 3 to 5 minutes, sometimes 5 to 10 minutes out your day to show support to me. So that means a lot to me, man, regardless. Okay? Now, if you're interested in making money online, then I definitely encourage you to watch this video. If you're not interested, we thank you for stopping by, but we also bless you to go do something else, because if this is not your cup of tea, I don't want to be talking to you. Okay? Now, a lot of people might ask me, they say, you know, Christmas is coming up. What is it that's something I can do that's going to allow me to make some money? And guys, a lot of people want to get paid right away. A lot of people don't want to build teams. A lot of people don't want to do all that. They just want to kind of have products in place where they can get paid. And I dig it. You know, sometimes building a team, a lot of people can't, you know, they don't get with the whole duplication thing. They can't duplicate what you're doing. You may have people, you may be a video guy, but then this person is joining you, you know, he wants to go all in, but he's not a video guy. And he, you know, and if he don't make sales, then all of a sudden he's mad at you. You know, it's just one of those things, man, where I say, you know, building teams is cool, and don't get me wrong, you can make a lot of money with it, but then there's a lot of people that just want to be resellers of products and go out here and not build a team. They just want to get those instant commissions, those high ticket commissions, and I don't blame you. You know, one program that I promote is Easy One Up. Easy One Up has been around for, what, 3-4 years now. You can make commissions anywhere between 25 to 2 grand. So at the product levels, you're at 25, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, and 2,000. So once you come in at that level, you gain reseller rights, which allow you to go out and resell the same products with that company. And guess what? You get instant commissions. The reason I love it is because it's a platform that's actually teaching you how to make money. It's teaching you the ins and outs of making money online, and it's teaching you how to run an online business. So if you don't have an online business, you can utilize the same products that you know that you're learning from, and go out and sell those products and earn those commissions. Think about it. If you were, you know, if you're at the $500 level or the $250 level, right, and you were to get 3 $250 sales or 3 $500 sales, that's some good money that comes right in your pocket that I'm pretty sure they can be life-changing income. You know, they can help you with bills, that can help you with your car note, you know, that allows you to start getting ahead in life, you know. So that's why you see me talking about these type of things literally all the time, because people are not aware of what they can do to make money online. There's a lot of things you can do, from trading Forex to binary trading, all the way down to e-commerce, to selling lotions and potions and CBD oil. I mean, literally anything that you decide that you want to sell, trust me, there's a market out here for it. But I like selling information. You know, everyone wants to be educated. Think about it. When you're going to college, what you're doing, you're paying for an education. You're paying for knowledge. You're paying for something that you're going to eventually take and make money with eventually. But a lot of people haven't been doing that, so now they're finding different means of making money. A lot of jobs are not paying people what they work, so they're finding different ways of making money. I tell everybody, you know, there's nothing wrong with getting a $16 an hour job, but make that $16 an hour job, go out here, start, you know, get a side hustle and join an online marketing business or something, and start making an additional income. So regardless if you're making $16 an hour, if you're making $17 an hour, you have a home-based business that you're also working, that you're generating a part-time income on. So now that income that you were making on the side now as well is also helping you with the main income at work. So now you doubled up. You didn't go get a second job. You didn't go take time away from your family. The only thing that you did was you was in position to join an online business to make additional income. Okay? Now, I'm gonna wrap this video on up. So what I was speaking of, guys, if you're looking for a way to make money, then I created a funnel right at the bottom here. When I said shout out to everyone in TCP, guys, I really mean, like, I've been involved in TCP for a very long time. I built so many sales funnels around different programs, all the way back to MCA. I remember when this first started, I was just telling people, hey, this is the system that I'm utilizing for MCA, okay? Then I started doing a lot of, marketing systems for I started putting together sales pages for Easy One Up. And I started getting a lot of people purchasing the system from me just so they can build a marketing page around Easy One Up. And I've done the same thing. So when I said shout out to everyone in the Conversion Pros, man, I really put together something that's going to promote this system. So now you're getting 2 income streams in one. You're going to get the instant commissions and you're going to get a residual income as well. See, guys, it's all about maximizing everything. It's not about, getting paid one time and then one and done. I've always been about maximizing your income. So you're going to get those instant commissions and you're going to get the residual income. So again, when someone signs up for the main system, we encourage them to sign up for the marketing system, which then the marketing system is going to pretty much do all the selling and selling for them. So then that way, everything works 24/7, 365 while you're away with your family. Whatever it is that you're doing, you're able to market. You're able to let your business work on autopilot for you. If you want to send traffic to it, a couple, solo ads, where, you're renting out someone's list that has a list of marketers that are interested in making money or people that are interested in making money. So, you're able to get your information blasted out to those particular people so they can join you or sign up for your marketing system. So it's all about knowing the right stuff, being in the right position, and just taking action. Once you guys get that under control, everything else is from there, man. A lot of money is to be made. So again, instant commissions from $25 all the way up to $2,000. Okay? Residual income. I didn't touch bases on this. The Conversion Pros, it is free for 14 days, right? And then from there, it is $50 a month. Now, each person that you bring in, they're going to pay you half of the commission. They're going to give you 50%. So you're going to get a $25 commission for each person that comes in. So pretty much that's what we mean residual income. So you're going to get the residual income that's going to be coming in. Then you're going to get the one-time commissions that coming in from Easy One Up because it's one and done, guys. You don't have to pay, a re-fee, some type of fee each month. No, you don't have to do that, okay? This is literally one and done. You're in. That's why I say there's no point in stop promoting it because you pay for that level. Now, if you really want to come in, you don't want to miss anything. You want to lock all the way in. You want to be fully positioned. So guys, think about that. Think about the levels that you want to come in at and go from there. I've seen people, their whole team might come in at $100 level. Then they may have a team that comes in at the $250 level. So they might say, hey, this is our team. We're all coming in at the $100 levels. We all move in one unit. So once everybody's in, then we're going to start going to the $250 level or the $500. So that way nobody misses commissions. Okay? So I've seen teams do it, man. So don't think that you can't do it. Don't not think that, that you're doing something out of the ordinary if you're doing that. I see people do it all the time. It's about what you and your team is doing, what you're branding, whatever the case may be. I'm giving away some free bonus training as well, outside of the marketing system, outside of the free training that you normally get with the marketing system and Easy One Up. So that's why I encourage you guys to get that because you're getting a plethora of training on both sides. See, not only are you getting the reseller rights for Easy One Up, but you're going to learn to get the training. And then with TCP in the back office, they have multiple training, from Facebook Lives all the way down to YouTube. So get positioned, guys. That's all it is. It's about getting positioned. I can sit up here and show you people's proof. I can show you my proof. I can show you all this money that we literally making every day, all day. But at the end of the day, it does not mean anything to you if you're not getting out here taking action. Do not let others entice you as well to say, hey, hey, I'm making all this money and you can do it too. Guys, you can definitely do it, but also be aware that you have to have training. There's things that you have to lock in and get going. You have to get the mindset. We're going to get you everything you need, but you got to lock in, okay? I'm not going to say, oh, you can make this and not do nothing. Because you can make it and not do nothing after a while. But you have to put your things in place. Okay? Put the YouTube videos out there. Make plethora, make 100 YouTube videos. And eventually one day you might be sitting on your ass and you're going to get some people that's going to come sign up because of those videos that are out there. Or those Facebook ads that you may have put out there. Or those Facebook posts that you put out there. Those Google posts that you put out there. Different things that you did. Those blogs. So whatever it is that you were doing and you put it out there. It's just consistent work. You have to stay working. So no, you're not going to make money sitting on your hands. I'm not going to tell you that you're going to make money sitting on your hands. Shooting videos like this, yes, you're going to make some money. Shooting videos, putting them on your Facebook, yes, you're going to make some money. Shooting some videos, blasting them out to your email list, yes, you're going to make some money. But you got to be consistent. I can talk about this all day, but consistency is the key. Okay? So guys, it is Saturday. It is another beautiful and blessed day that we're here to see. Let's make sure that you're taking action. Let's make sure that you're doing the right things as well. Okay? So get positioned. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom for you guys to get positioned in the instant commissions system. I'm also going to leave it for the My Income Club because the My Income Club funnel also promotes Easy One Up in the back end. But in the front end, it promotes My Econ, which is the credit, the financial literacy program that's going to teach you literally everything from, you know, financial from credit repair all the way to you know, managing your money, to e-commerce. I mean, not to e-commerce, to traveling, all the way down to saving money when you shop. So I'm gonna leave both of those down for you guys to get positioned. Okay, so wrap this video up, hit the description and click that link, and it's your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace. All right, sorry about that, guys. Call came in. Let me get my focus together. All right, we had to get the focus together. All right, so here the thing is, we're gonna wrap this video on up. So I'm gonna leave both links down at the bottom here. One's gonna be for My Income Club, which you guys know that My Income Club promotes Easy One Up, but you also have other income streams inside of it that you have to pretty much promote. So the first income stream is My Econ, which My Econ is a financial literacy program. Going to teach you the ins and out about credit restoration. It's going to teach you about, you know, how to put money back in your pocket if you work a 9 to 5. You know, if you discount travel, if you're shopping, how to get cash back. You know, how to manage your money. Literally, it's going to teach you everything about financial literacy, guys. So that's also a residual income stream as well. So I'm going to leave both of those at the bottom, but just keep in mind when you're promoting My Income Club, you know, just you're not branding yourself. So if anything, you know, you can utilize the system, but they do allow you to utilize their page and systems, things like that, where you can brand yourself too. But if you want to have something that your team can duplicate, you know, that's strictly for your team, then you definitely want to check out the Conversion Pros and utilize that marketing system. Okay, so I'm wrapping this video on up, guys. I'm back in my home destination here. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a message on Facebook. Shoot me an email. I definitely look forward to working with you. I'm not a person that hide at all. I literally, you know, want to help you out, and I literally want to answer any questions that you guys have or things that you might have a misconception of. So click the link at the bottom. Like I say, everything's going to be in the description. If you have questions, let me know. But I look forward to working with you. I look forward to moving forward, and I look forward to helping you get on your journey. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video on up. Hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, this your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.